Welcome to CareerCraft. We are glad you are here to learn more about advancing your career. This video focuses on salary negotiation, specifically for non-tech roles. It is a myth that roles in HR, admin, and operations do not involve negotiation. Everyone should be prepared to negotiate their salary. Rule 1. Never give the first number. Asking for the salary range is a smart move to position yourself for the best outcome. Rule 2. Use market data. Saying, "In the market, this role typically falls within," is a powerful line that demonstrates your preparation. Rule 3. Show impact, not emotion. Instead of saying, "I deserve," phrase it as, "My experience brings," to focus on your value. A sample script to use is, "Based on my experience and the scope of this role, I was expecting something closer to X. Is there flexibility?" Remember, negotiation is a game of confidence, not greed. Be confident in your worth and ask for what you deserve. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support CareerCraft.